Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Capcut project from mobile to PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Capcut application, and if you want to transfer Capcut project, we're going to use the Capcut Space or Capcut Cloud Storage. And if this option hasn't appeared on your screen, you have to log in to your Capcut. You can go to the section and you can log in with your Google account, Facebook account, or TikTok account. And as you can see guys, here I have logged in with my TikTok account, and after we have logged into Capcut, we will be able to access the Capcut Space or Capcut Cloud Storage. You can go back to the Capcut homepage and you can go to the Capcut Space right here. Okay, and click on this plus button to upload your project to the Capcut Space. You can select upload a draft and then choose a project you want to transfer to your PC. I'm just going to select this one and this one, for example. Then we just need to click on upload and click on backup. And you need to wait until your project have been uploaded to your Capcut Space. And after the project has been uploaded, you can go to your Capcut PC and then you can log in with the same account, and you will be able to access your project through the Capcut Space on your Capcut PC. Alright guys, and that's how we can transfer Capcut project to PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.